Welcome, Brandon here with Showchrome Accessories to introduce another brand new item for the 2019 and newer Can-Am Ryker models. This particular item is going to be our quick detach smart mount backrest. This smart mount backrest allows you to utilize the link type system on your max mount and also works on bikes without max mounts. This product allows for 3 inches of horizontal adjustment and 1 inch of a vertical adjustment to give you, the rider, the most in comfort. If you have any further questions with regard to the smart mount backrest, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. Thank you for watching and safe riding.